This is Jeremy with Acrylic Display Systems here in Tucson, Arizona, where we sell CNC Fiber laser systems. This is our 2 kilowatt system, 5 foot, 10 foot open bed. We also sell them from 1.5 kilowatt up to 22 kilowatts with any kind of configuration you can probably think of. Open bed with enclosures, with shuttle tables for high production. We also sell them with rotary attachments. Also sell them with auto loading, auto unloading for really high production machines. Give us a shout, see how we can help you out. We also offer financing. Jeremy at acrylicdisplaysystems.com or 520-500-7454. Here we're going to be cutting my logo out of some 4mm stainless steel. Software is very easy to pick up. We also offer 2-year warranty on all machines, on all parts, free replacement for your parts. Also a 1-year warranty on your laser power source. We can come out there and help you set it up as well. Give us a shout. All right, let's keep it cutting. We're going to double check our cutting area. We're good to go there. Comes with a pendant to control it wirelessly. I think we're ready to cut. And here we're using compressed air, 230 psi, as opposed to using nitrogen. Obviously nitrogen costs a lot of money, which a lot of us don't have a lot of. With compressed air, we can use that all day. So here is the logo we cut. Let me get that out of there. Take a look at the finish. It's not super hot, but it's hot enough. You don't want to touch it with your bare hands right now. Give me 1 second, let me get that out of there. All right. So that's the logo right there. Got it cut. Should have had a little better lead in over there in that corner. That's the back side of it. Not too bad. Maybe 50 thousandths of dross on the backside. Give us a shout. 520-500-7454. We also offer financing.